Díomh agus fáilte go grammar beag, bite-sized Irish grammar videos for primary school pupils. So today we're starting off on Aimsir Láithreach, the present tense, and conjugating verbs. So inniu, today, gach bhliain, every year, anish, now, ag an nóméid seo, at the moment, gach lá, every day. So just to recap, on Céad Réimú are one syllable verbs and they're either cuil, slender or leathan, broad. So Céad Réimú, if the last vowel is I or E, then it's cuil. For example, ca, vrish and fill. And if the last vowel is A or O or U, then it's leathan, dún, ól and los. Endings allow us to conjugate brithra in the Aimsir Láithreach, and the start of the brithra does not change unless on or ni is in front. It's just a quick recap. Na for Anamaka, the pronouns may, I or me, to, you, she, he or it, she, shin, us or we, shiv, ye, you plural, shead, they. And remember, last vowel, AOU, it's leathan. Last vowel, i.e. slender. If the verb is cuil, slender, we put in the following endings. I am. We don't include may. EANN2. EANN she. EANN she. I am ID, and we don't include shin. EANN shiv. EANN shead. So we're going to conjugate the verbs. Tep, to fail. Tepim, I fail. Teppen two, you fail. Teppen she, he fails. Teppen she fails. Teppen mit, we fail. Teppen shiv, ye fail. Teppen shead, they fail. Ri, to run. Rihim, I run. Rihin two, you run. Rihin she, he runs. Rihin she runs. Rihimid, we run. Rihin shiv, ye run. Rihin shead, they run. If the verb is leathan, broad, we put in the following endings. AIM, we don't include may. ANN2, ANN she, ANN she. AIMID, we don't include shin. ANN shiv, ANN shead. So now to conjugate these verbs. Ol, to drink. Olam, I drink. Olin two, you drink. Olin she, he drinks. Olin she drinks. Olamid, we drink. Olin shiv, ye drink. Olin shead, they drink. Fog, to leave behind. Fogum, I leave. Foggin two, you leave. Foggin she, he leaves. Foggin she leaves. Foggamid, we leave. Foggin shiv, ye leave. Foggin shead, they leave. Agus sinné.